we got another package. Inside of this package should be an iPhone X, except not any iPhone X. This iPhone X is running iOS 12. This cost me just shy of $120, and I bought it with intentions of jailbreaking it and using it as a secondary device. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Cut the box, and I'm just gonna rip it because my patience is zero. There it is. Go ahead and unwrap the phone, and it is a silver model with a very slightly cracked screen. You can see that cracked screen right there, but it's honestly not bad at all. Here's the back. Looks pretty good, and as you can see, it's got the typical scratches, wear and tear, but I've got a case to put on it. Now let's see if it has charge. And it has no charge. Let's go ahead and plug it in. All right, let's plug it in. Looks like it's gonna need some charge, so I'll get right back to you guys when it's finished charging.
A few moments later.
All right, it's been about 10 minutes and the phone finally turned on. See that beautiful iOS 12 wallpaper? Look at that. Now, iOS 12 is not the original version for the iPhone X, iOS 11 is. But now I have an iPhone X and an iPhone 8 running iOS 12, so I have a pretty good pair on its second version. Go ahead and check. This should be 12.4.1, as you can see, and it's a 64 gigabyte. Now, let's take a look at the overall condition of the phone. You could see those cracks on the screen, not that bad in my opinion. Some chipping down by the bottom, some heavy scratches, continuing with the heavy scratches on the back and the sides of the phone. Now, in the pictures, the phone appeared in a slightly better condition on the sides, but honestly, I'm not complaining. I'm not gonna return this, as I think $117 was a good deal. It was listed at $110, $117 total. Honestly, not bad for what I got. Now, one thing I'm gonna add, the reason it was so cheap is the phone is also blacklisted. Now, it would have been cheaper if the iOS version wasn't iOS 12, and I'm assuming that's why the price was set where it was. I still think this was a fair price, and I'm gonna be covering up the phone with a case and screen protectors anyway. So thank you guys for watching this short video. More to come with this phone soon. I'm gonna be using this as my second camera as well, so I can have different angles shots in my videos, so that'll be nice. And I finally own an iPhone X. While I was editing this video, I realized that I forgot to tell you guys I am so close to my goal of 2,000 subscribers. As of recording this video, I have 1,992 subscribers, only 8 subscribers from 2,000. So if you're new here, please consider clicking that subscribe button, as I've been desperately putting work into these videos for the last 3 years and am just now reaching 2,000. And for people seeing this in the future, as of right now, only 11.2% of my viewers are actually subscribed. So if you're watching this in the future, please consider subscribing anyways, as I don't even make money off these videos yet. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, peace out, guys.